As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on the tools and parts we use in today's project. 2002 Chevrolet Cavalier alternator. Let's check it out. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and disconnect this negative battery cable here. Want to make sure we don't pop any fuses. Next, we can see we've got this alternator sitting right on top. That's great. We got these two little connectors. We got one right here. You see, you're just going to reach in, focus camera, and pull this little tab up, pull your connector out, and then this little rubber piece will be covering this. You're going to pull the rubber piece off, and then you got a 13mm nut, and then we're going to take that off. So that's your two connectors, and then we're going to have a belt sitting right on top of here like so. And to get this belt off, if you can see right down in there, that is my 3/8 ratchet attached to the belt tensioner. And to get a better angle on this thing, what you really want to do is take your wheel off. We got hubcap and 19mm lug nuts holding that guy on, and then we're gonna look at it. We're gonna get to this thing. So as you can see, we got the ratchets. That is your tensioner. That's what we're looking at right now. So, and I've got, there we go. I'm gonna leave it right in there. Right in there is a spot for a 3/8 hole. So you just plug your ratchet in, and then we can see we bring them down, lefty loosey. That'll loosen the belt right up. And if you're just doing the job by yourself, the best way to do it is loosen it, and then you can just take your hand right there and then pull the belt off. So then we just have a couple more steps and we're almost done. So now our alternator is going to be sitting right here, and we've got 3 bolts. We've got a 13 here, a 13 sitting right in here. I would take your 3/8 ratchet with a little extension come out right here and take that 13mm bolt off right there, and then just a 15mm bolt right there. So yep, you'll just take that 15mm bolt off. Then with 2 hands, you'll grab one side here, and just yank, 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 and then your alternator will come up and out. So pretty simple project. So that's it. Thanks for watching.